Hello my friends and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to earn money doing what you love, so doing your hobby. First of all, you need to go to our website retireonmybudget.com. Then you will need to log in to your account or to register. So I will click login. Then you will need to go to edit profile. Once you are on this page, you will need to click tab experiences and then add experience. Once you are here, a website will require you to provide additional information about your experiences. First of all, you need to upload images related to your experiences. I'll totally recommend you to upload pictures with yourself because it will be really important to understand people that it's a real person connected with these experiences and the real person will teach you. So as for me, I'll download Mike photos related to my experiences. So not this one, like that. Yeah. My experiences will be related to computer game called CS:GO. So on these pictures, I'm with my team, so people are clearly understanding that I'll be teaching them how to play this game. Next step is to add a YouTube video where mm, you're saying person what they will should expect from this experience, or even the video where you're doing this. So as for me, it will be a video from the game, so you could briefly check after it. So the title will be CSGO coaching and teaching. That's it. Type. You could choose offline, online, or both. As for me, I'll choose both because I'm okay with doing it like locally or doing it online. Price. Price could be different, but you can leave it empty if you're doing it for free. Or as for me, I'll put $20. Category. Here is like some categories, so you could choose between them. But as for me, I'll choose sports. City. I'll put my native city, and languages for experiences. It's the languages that you could teach or tell person about the experiences. As for me, it will be English, Ukrainian, and Russian. That's it. And in the description, it's brief description of your experience. You could tell what people should expect from it, or maybe even duration. As for me, I put this text, so yeah, you could check. And the final step is click the tab create. Once you create these experiences, people could see it and contact you. So that's the way how you could earn money with ourselves. Uh, if you would like to check how people will see these experiences, you will need to go to tab find, then experiences. And on this page, you will need to click search, and here you will see our experiences. So here is another experiences. If you would like to check, you could, but as for ours, here it is. So we've just created a new experiences ourselves, and if we click, you could see the web page of our shared experience. So here is like category sports, languages, price, location, and also information. And here is a video and photos. And the most important thing, people could contact you, clicking chat now, and they will contact you and you'll start earning money with ourselves. So please go to our website and start earning money with us. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.